Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on WeBull. Okay, so here I am logged onto my WeBull portfolio, and the first thing you're going to want to do is actually link a bank account. So at the top you'll see multiple options like assets, P&L, orders, transfers. So we're going to click on transfers. And if you're having issues seeing anything on the screen, you can just pinch to zoom in if you're watching this on your smartphone. So like I said, we're going under the transfer tab at the very top. Okay, and from here you'll see a section that says linked account. If you don't have an account listed there, you should see an option to actually link a bank account. Since I already have an account listed there, it'll give me a different option. It'll actually list my bank name and last four digits. So I'm just going to blur that part out, but that's where it is. And under the same screen, after you've linked the bank account, you're going to have to deposit money into your WeBull account. So at the top there you'll see a section that says transfer money, deposit, withdrawal, or internal transfer. So you're going to click on transfer money and put some money into your WeBull account. Again, click right there. Very simple and easy to follow step by step. It just walks you through the process. Okay, so let's say you've just linked your bank account and you've deposited some money, and as you can see there under my cash balance I have $7.21. So we're going to be using that $7.21 to purchase a stock. So for today's example, I'm going to be looking up Tesla. At the very bottom you'll see multiple tabs, one of which is the markets tab. So click on markets. Okay, from here you'll have a lot of different options, but for, like I said, my example, I'm going to be looking for Tesla. So at the top right you'll see a magnifying glass. So click on the magnifying glass, and from here you could search whatever stock you want. So you can search for like Microsoft, Apple, any of the other popular stocks, or just type in whatever symbol you think might be here. For my example, I'm going to be searching for Tesla, so TSLA, and there it is. Tesla is the first option. I'm going to click there. Okay, and as you can see currently it is after market hours and Tesla is $418 per share. And at the very bottom there you'll see a couple of options. You'll see trade and options. I'm going to click on trade, and you can just see how the stock is performing. So we're going to scroll on down a little bit. You'll see a section that says buy or sell. In this situation we're going to be buying, and order type, it's currently set at limit. So I'm going to change that over to market, and there you also see a section that says buy fractional shares. Start with as little as $5. So if I purchase via market share, then that means that I'll be buying Tesla at whatever the current market price is. I have a video breaking down the difference between a market order and a limit order. I'll include that in the description below. And then the next option is amount in. Is currently toggled to share. So if I wanted to like buy one share of Tesla, obviously I'd have to pay the current share price, which is like $420. I only have like $7 in my account, so I can't do that. So you just press that blue box where it says share, and it'll toggle it to US dollars. So instead of like shares, I am now typing in how much I would actually like to buy worth of Tesla. So like I said, I have $7.21 in my account, so I'm going to type in 721 right there. And as you can see here in my summary, estimated shares, I'm going to be getting 0.01715 shares of Tesla. It's going to be a $0 fee, and it's just giving you a breakdown of everything there and days left to trade. And if you're good with everything you see there, at the very bottom you see a green button that says buy. So we're going to click on buy, and again just gives me the breakdown of everything. If you're good with everything you see there, click on confirm. And like I said, I submitted this after hours. I'm just going to have to wait until the market opens and the order actually goes through. So that in a nutshell is how you purchase stock on WeBull. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.